Now 6th century BC political condition. So you will read about these things. So you can hear theory is given. So you can, by stopping video, you can read this theory. Okay, we will study from the options. These are the Mahajanpada which are given here. Capital, you can remember it, like Kuru capital is in the first. Sometimes they used to ask like Malla capital is Kusinarayan, Pava, Kasi we know it, Varanasi, Angai, Champa, okay, Vatsa is Kasambi, Source in Mathura. Just know the Vajji they used to ask Vaisali, Magadha we know it, Girivaraja Rajgiri. Chedi we know it Suktimati, Sotivati Suktimati. Matsya is important, remember this, they used to ask. Viratnagar, Mats. Asmak. Asmak is southern part, most southern part of Mahajanpada. होता ना पोतली, okay? Avanti, Ujjain, Gandhar, Takshila, either most western part in Mahajanpada, like Kamboj, Rajpur, Hatak, they used to ask some times capital. So these are the theory part. You can read it by stopping video. Okay. So let's go for the question answer. So first question is, the earliest extant coins of the India were of silver. First coin. Ahad coins or Panchmark coins were the earliest extant coins in India made of silver coin. Okay. The marks on them were made by the stamp. So they are called Ahad coins or Panchmark coin. Right? Why they were called Panchmarks? Due to they are marked by stamp. Okay? That's why they were Panchmark coins. Which are the following not correctly matched? These are the capital given. Anga capital Champa, Vatsya, Kosambi. Here I told you this important Viratnagar. So Viratnagar is correct. Matsya, Viratnagar, Vatsya, Kosambi, Anga, Champa. Okay. So here Kosala Chhatra is wrong. It's not correct. Okay. Is Sravasti and Saket. Okay. Capital of Kosala kingdom was Saket and Sravasti. Rest of other option, right? Correct. So match the list from 1 to 2. Pradyot was the king of Avanti, and Udayan related with the Vats. Prasenjit, first we know what we know, Ajasatru. First mark this. D is first. Where is D is first? Here given. Na? So you can cut this. Now you can live with 50-50. Now Prasenjit related with Kosal. Okay. So answer, let's see. The Pali scripture reveals that Pradyot was the king of Avanti, Udayan was the king of Vats, Mahajanpada. Okay. Prasenjit was a Kosala, and Ajasat was the king of Magadha. Okay. Of Harenka dynasty. Chand Pradyot was ruler of which ancient republic? It is Avanti. Okay. Pradyot is the ruler of Avanti. He is said to be the son of Pulik, who is said to have killed his master at Ujjain to make his son king. Pradyut was a contemporary of Buddha and Bimbisara and found his name in Mahavagga, part of Vinayapitaka and Purana. He is said to have ruled for 23 years. Bimbisara sends his doctor Raj Vaidya. Remember this. Bimbisara sends his doctor Raj Vaidya. At that time we were called Jivak. Name, remember this. Bimbisara sent Jivak from Harenka dynasty. Bimbisara talking about, not Bimbisara. Pradyut for treatment of jaundice. One thing I'm telling you, that Bimbisara is from Harenka dynasty. Okay? Harenka dynasty, 5th century BC, and one is Bindusar. Okay, Bindusar. It is different things. Okay, Bindu, you here given na, or here I given. Bimbi, I, here you. I first comes, that's why Bimbisara first come. You later comes and means Bindusara later comes. Bindusara was son of Asoka. Asoka was his father. Remember this. Okay? They were in 2nd century BC. It means 300 years. They came later. You can remember like this. I first comes, so Bimbisara first comes, 5th century BC. Then you later come. Bindusara later comes. Okay. So don't be confused with this. So the epigraphical evidence reveals that under the instructions of a Nanda king, a canal was dug in Kalinga. Hathi Gumpha inscription indicates that Kalinga victory of Nanda king Mahapadmananda. According to this, King Nanda took away the statue of King Jinsen and built a canal in Kalinga. What was the ancient name of Ujjain? What was? It is Avantika. Ujjain, located in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh, is considered as the ancient historical town of India. This was one of the two capitals of Avanti, which was one among the 16 Majanpada. It is also known as Avantika. This is the map-based. Map-based question doesn't come in exam. Okay, so you can leave it also. Okay. So here they asked. So before they were asking, but this time they are not asking because who are like PW. Okay, physically handicapped, this is called category. For them, some issue are coming like if anybody blind. Okay, so how will he see this map? Okay, so for the promoting the equality, so this map based question removed so that everybody can access the questions. Like if any blind people have access of any other writer, so writer can explain, read the question and he can hear, but in map he can't read. Okay, so that's why this map based question doesn't come in exam these days in IS and TCS as well. Okay, so the ancient city which is mentioned in Mahabharata and Mahabhas both. Mahabharata and Mahabhas in Madhyamika Nagari and Viratnagar. Yeah. Viratnagar was founded by King Virat. It was the capital of Mas. Okay, Mas Kingdom. Mas Kingdom capital Viratnagar. Its history is found in both Mahabharata and Mahabharata. Who founded the Pataliputra? Udayin. Transferred this. Pataliputra was founded by Ajatasattu. Founded Ajatasattu but transferred this Udayin. What is success of Bimbisara? Udayin shifted the capital to Magadha Empire from Rajgiri to Pataliputra. Okay. It was also the capital of Sisunaga dynasty, Nanda dynasty, and Maurya dynasty. Which are the following statements true regarding Pataliputra, the capital of Magadha kingdom? Pataliputra was surrounded by river Ganga in the east and by the river Champa in the north. Pataliputra was surrounded by the river Ganga in the north and by the river Son in the west. Pataliputra was surrounded by the Vindhya mountain in the south and by the river Ganga in the east. Pataliputra was surrounded by the Vindhya mountain in the south and the river Champa in the west. Which one is the best here? River in the Ganga north. Yes. Okay, surrounded by the river Ganga in the north means if you have seen Patna in Bihar, so this Ganga river flow through this Patna in the northern part. Okay, so Son river meets with the Ganga from the southern part. Okay, from west side it comes and meet with the Ganga. That is the answer. Asked in Chhattisgarh. Ancient Pataliputra, modern Patna, was surrounded by the river Ganga in the north and by the river Son in the west. Which ruler had made Pataliputra the capital of his empire for the first time? Chandragupta. For the first time, he made capital. Pataliputra was established by Ajatasattu. Remember this, Ajatasattu established but shifted capital by Udayin. The ruler of Haryanka dynasty. Right, the dynasty, remember this, sometimes they used to ask. Udayin transferred this thing. Udayin transferred the capital from the Rajgir to Pataliputra, but Udayin not mentioned in the option, so wrong. We can go with the Chandragupta. Who among the following king had founded Pataliputra? Ajatasattu, not Udayin. Udayin just transferred. Founded by Ajatasattu. By which ruler was Pataliputra chosen as the capital for the first time? With simple Udayan. In ancient time, the area of the south of the Ganga was known as. It had many names, I think. In ancient time, the area along the river in south of the Ganga was known as Magadha. Magadha is in the south of the Ganga river, okay, which is called Pataliputra was also capital of Magadha. Taxila was situated between the Indus and Jhelum. Chola was situated in the south of the Godavari. Anartha was a Vedic Iraq kingdom of ancient India. So it's E asked in PPSC 2022. Ligand of Udayan Vasavadat is related to Ujjain. Okay. Ligand of Udayan Vasavadat is related to Ujjain. Great poet Bhasa has described this story in his drama Swapna Vasavadattam. This book, remember this. Bhasa written as Swapna Vasavadattam. The love story of Vas King Udayan and Vasavadat, the daughter of Avanti King Pradyot. The story is set during the time when Udayan was imprisoned in Ujjaini. In which century did the first Magadhan Empire rise? 6th century BC. Okay. Like Haryanka dynasty came, Bimbisara came. Remember this? Bimbisara, not Bindusara. The first Bimbisara and Bindusara both are different things I have already told you. Remember this. The first Magadhan Empire flourished in 6th century BC. The actual founder of this empire was King Bimbisara. Approximately this 544, 492 BC. He was related to Haryanka dynasty and Bindusara related with Maurya dynasty and Bimbisara related with Haryanka. Which one of the following was initially the most powerful city-state in India in the 6th century BC? Which one? Magadha. Why? Because it was surrounded by 5 hills and it had fertile agriculture. That's why it's more powerful at that time. Magadha was the most powerful city in early 6th century BC. It was one of the richest and most prosperous Mahajanpada among others. Magadha had a long rivalry with Kosala, Anga and Kasim. They always struggled for supremacy. Which one was not in the earlier republic? Yodhya was not a earlier republic. Okay. The evidence of existence of the lords of republic is found during the Buddha period. They were as follows. They were republics where kings were chosen by the people. They were not hereditary. Here Sakya republic of Kapilvastu Bhagga of Samsum Maragiri, Buli of Alakappa, Kalam of Kesaputta, Kolia of Ramgama, Malla of Kusinara which is Kusinagar, remember this. Malla Pava, Moria of Palivana. Moria means Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya related with the Maurya clan. Okay. Sometimes they used to ask me question. Lichavi of Vaisali and Vidya of Mithila. Yodhya was not in the earliest. By whom the first republican of the world was established in Vaisali? Lichavi. Okay. The Lichavi dynasty of Vaisali established the first republic in the world. Vaisali, first republic in the world. Remember this. Lichavi of Vaisali, first republic in the world. Lichavi dynasty. Vaisali took its name from King Visal of Mahabharata era. Vaisali is a great Buddhist pilgrimage site and also the birthplace of Lord Mahavira. Okay, he died in Pavapuri and took birth in Vaisali. Where was the first republican system of the world during 6th century BC located? Vaisali. Lichavi. Okay, this one. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Chetak, Lichavi. King Chetak was the emperor of Lichavi republics. His daughter Chelamma was married to Magadha king Bimbisara. Lichavi was one of the clans of the Union of Vajji. Okay. Which Buddha text has described 16 Mahajanapada of 6th century BC. Anguttara Nikaya. Remember this. Very important. Okay. Anguttara Nikaya. 16 Mahajanapada of 6th century BC were mentioned in Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya. They were as follows: Anga, Magadha, Kasi, Kosala, Vajji, Malla, Chedi, Vats, Kuru, Panchal, Mas, Sursen. Asmak is, remember the Asmak is the most southern part of all the 16 Mahajanata. Avanti, Gandhara and Kamboj. The list of the 16 Mahajanapada also first mentioned in Jain text Bhagavad Sutra. In Jan text, Bhagavad Sutra, they also get mentioned. The list of 16 Mahajanpada is available in Anguttara Nikaya. Which one of the following Buddhist texts describes the 16 Mahajanpada? Which one? Anguttara Nikaya. Okay. 16 Mahajanpada, the age of Mahajanpada have often been mentioned in the Buddhist literature, which often following the Janapada have been mentioned in Panini in his Ashtadhyayi. Which one? Magadha mentioned in Ashtadhyayi and Asmak and Kamboj. Okay. Asked in RS. Panini is known for his Sanskrit grammar. Remember this, Panini wrote his Sanskrit grammar. Born in Puskalvati, Gandhara, the Ashtadhyayi is one of the earliest known grammar of Sanskrit. Ashtadhyayi written by Panini. Remember this book. Ashtadhyayi written by Panini. Grammar book in Sanskrit. The Ashtadhyayi consists of 4,000 sutras are rules distributed among 8 chapters, which are each subdivided into 4 sections of Padas. Panini mentioned as many as 22 different Janapadas, but also mentioned 3 most important Janapadas, Magadha, Asmak and Kamboj. In which of the following texts the list of the 16 great states Sodasai Mahajanpada of ancient India occur? In which text? Not Arthashastra. It is Kautilya written about political system of Magadha. Anguttara Nikaya mentions 16 Mahajanpada. Digha Nikaya, okay, not mentioned. Bhagavad Sutra of Jainism. Here I mentioned na, this one. Jain text, Bhagavad Sutra. Anguttara Nikaya, Buddhist text. Remember this? This is the Buddhist one. And this is the Jain one. Okay. They used to ask sometimes Anguttara Nikaya related with Buddhism, Bhagavad Sutra related with the Jain. Okay, so it went for the correct answer. The capital of North Panchal, according to Mahabharata, was located at Aichhatra. Capital of Northern Panchal was Aichhatra, and Kampilya was the capital of Southern Panchala. Hastinapur and Indraprasth were the capital of Kuru, while Mathura was the capital of Surasen. During the period of 16 Mahajanpada, Mathura was the capital of Surasen. Champa was the capital of which Mahajanpada? Anga. Champa was the capital of Anga Mahajanpada. It covers the modern districts of Munger and Bhagalpur in Bihar. It was later annexed to Magadha by Bimbisara. Magadha was located to its west. In the 6th century BC, Suktimati was the capital of Chedi. In the 6th century BC, Chedi Mahajanpada was located in modern Bundelkhand and adjacent parts. Its capital was Sottivati, which is known as Suktimati of Mahabharata. Remember this, Suktimati was the capital of Chedi. Okay. Mahajanpada is situated on the bank of river Godavari was Asaka. According to the Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya, and Jain text Bhagavad Sutra. The Asaka or Asmak, both are same thing. Asaka or Asmak, most southern part of all 16 Mahajanpada, was located between Godavari and Narmada river during 6th century, which capital was Paithan or Potan or Potali. Okay. Ancient name Pakistan. Mas Mahajanpada of 6th century BC was located in Rajasthan. Mas Mahajanpada 6th century BC was situated around area of Jaipur, Alwar and Bharatpur in Rajasthan. Its capital was Viratnagar. Mas capital always they used to ask Mas Viratnagar. Okay. In UPPC 2017 they asked. Which was the capital of Magadha? Girivaraj. Simple. Remember this. They used to ask BPSC. Mostly ask. Rajgiri and Rajgiri both are the same. Was the first capital of Magadha, where first Buddhist council was organized and Lord Mahavira summoned first. According to the Puranas, the first dynasty to rule over Magadha was Bridras dynasty. Okay. King Bridras Jarasandh made Girivaraj his capital. Later on, Udayin Shah Ajasatra moved the capital to Pataliputra. Okay, who shifted capital? Udayin to Pataliputra. Okay. Which was the initial capital of Magadha? Girivaraj. Okay. later shifted to Pataliputra. Which was the first capital of ancient Majanpada? Magadha. Magadha. Rajki is not given option. So not Pataliputra. Remember this. It was second capital. First capital asking na. So Magadha was ancient kingdom in Bihar. Its first capital was Rajgiri. Remember this, which is now Rajgir. Oh, which was also known as Girivaraj. Girivaraj also known as. During the reign of Udayin Haryanga dynasty, capital was moved to Pataliputra. Second time. Okay. Which city served as the capital of the ancient kingdom of Magadha during the early Vedic period? Rajgiri. Which one of the following was not a capital of Magadha? Kausambi. Girivaraj, Rajgiri, and Pataliputra were the capital of Magadha Empire, respectively, in ancient time. While Kausambi was ruled by Vasa state, the capital of Magadha was shifted from Rajgiri to Pataliputra by Haryanga dynasty ruler Udayin. Okay. What is the town configuration of ancient Sravasti? Crescentic. Okay. Alexander Cunningham identified the ancient Sravasti at Sahit Mahet, placed near Sravasti in Uttar Pradesh in 1861. It is known by excavation that the configuration of Sravasti was in crescentic form. Okay, just know this. So, which Nisa ruler of Magadha killed his father for enthroning and also was killed by his son for the same? Simple Ajasatru. Okay, Patri Hatya dynasty one known as. The ruler of Magadha, Ajasatru, 492, so 460 BC, killed his father Bimbisara, the founder of Haryanga dynasty, and sat on throne. He was also killed by his son Udayin. Ajasatru killed Bimbisara, then Udayin killed Ajasatru again. Okay. From the king Udayin of Vatsa. Okay. This Udayin different from the king Udayan of Vatsa. Here Udayin. First same region. Okay, different. Remember this. Not Udayan and Udayin are different. Which are the following great ruler founded the Haryanga once in ancient Bihar? Bimbisara, Haryanga dynasty. What was the name of the dynasty of Ajasatru? What was Haryanga? The prince who was responsible for the death of his father Ajasatru, who defeated and assimilated the Vajjis into empire of Magadha. Ajasatru, who had no enemy. Okay, you can say like this. Vaisali was the principal republic of the Vajji. Vajji was a republic, remember this. The ruler of this place was Lichavi. From the time of Bimbisara, there were estrangement in the Magadha and Vajji confederation, which turned into conflict during the time of Ajasatru. It is known from Nirayavali Sutra that at the time of Chetak was chief of Lichavi. He prepared a united front of 9 Lichavi, 9 Mallas and 18 Ganarajyas of Kasi Kosala against the king of Magadha. As per Bhagavati Sutra, Ajasatru was winner of all of them. He defeated Lichavi and annexed the Vajjis of the Magadha. Okay. Power of Magadha was extended over Malwa region during the reign of Sisunag. Okay. According to Matsya Purana, king of Magadha, Sisunag, annexed Avanti Malwa into his empire by defeating Nandivardhan. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty in Magadha? Mahapadmanand. After Sisunag dynasty, the Nanda dynasty started ruling Magadha. Mahapadmananda or Ugrasen was the founder of Nanda dynasty. He was also called the Sarvaksh Trantaka. Just remember this. They used to watch sometime this terminology. Sarvaksh Trantaka and Aparo Parasuram in Puranas. This Mahapadmananda. Which dynasty ruled Magadha Bihar after Sisunag dynasty? Nanda dynasty, right? Which king of Magadha is known as Aparo Parasuram in UPLD asked. Which one is Mahapadmananda? Aparo Parasuram. Who among the following made Varanasi his second capital? Many were there. In the 6th century BC, Varanasi was the capital of Kasi Majanpada. It was received as a dowry by Haryanga dynasty king Bimbisara when he married Mahakosala, the sister of Kosala king Prasenjit. During the period of Ajasatru, Prasenjit married his daughter Vajira with him and accepted his sovereignty over Kasi. Later on, when Sisunag made Vaisali his capital, he appointed his son, the deputy king of Varanasi. Hence, it is not very clear from the given option that who made Varanasi. Okay, so leave it. But UPC accepted Sisunag. Okay. of Varanasi. Which dynasty did rule over Magadha after Nanda dynasty? Simple, Magad, Maurya. Nanda dynasty of Magadha was founded after the end of Sisunaga dynasty. There were 9 kings, okay, in Nanda dynasty who were Ugrasen, Kal, Mahapadmananda in Puranaj, Panduk, Pandugati, Bodhpal, Rashtpal, Govisanak, Dasa Siddhaka, Kaivarth, Dhananand. During last years of Nanda dynasty, people became turbulent because of the stores and imposition of heavy taxes on small items. By taking advantage of this, Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of Chanakya, killed Dhananand and established Maurya Empire. Which inscription is the evidence of King Nand? Which inscription? Hathigumpa inscription of Kharwel, which in Mumbai in Maharashtra. Okay, only one Hathigumpa is described about Nand. Kharwel was the most important. Okay. Kharwel was the most important emperor of the Chedi dynasty of Kalinga. His Hathigumpa inscription is the major source of information about the Ijrin. The engraving of canals in Kalinga by King Mahapadmanand is encrypted in his inscriptions. It is also the first inscriptions which tells about Hathigumpa in Odisha. Remember this. Okay, Elephanta in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Encrypted in his. It is also first inscription which tells about engraving of canals. It mentions the donation of villages to Jain monks. This inscription also mentions that Kharwel defeated the 3 states Chola, Chera, and Pandya of the south. Okay, remember this. It is also mentioned this Chola, Chera, Pandyas. It means it mentions 3 things. Kharwela, it will about mention about Kharwela, then it mentioned about Mahapadmananda, then Chola, Chera, Pandya. Okay. Are in the following Magadha dynasty in the chronological order. First, which come? Aryanka come. Then, which came? Sunga came. Okay. No. After Aryanka, Nanda dynasty came. Sunga came after Maurya. Okay, then Maurya came, then Sunga came. Okay. Sisunag, after Sisunag, then Nanda came. Okay. Aryanka dynasty first came. Just no rough size, 500 BC. Nanda came. Okay, then Maurya came, then Sunga came. Okay. After Aryanka, there is Sisunag dynasty was also there. Also was the ruler, which second Buddhist council hated. So this Nanda came after it. Jivak, the famous physician of the time of Mahatma Buddha, was associated with the court of Bimbisar. Okay. Bimbisar. The famous historical physician Jivak, a contemporary of Lord Buddha, was related to the court of Bimbisar. Bimbisar had sent Jivaka to the state of Avanti's king Chandrapradyot for medical service. Remember this Jivaka and who sent Bimbisar? Under which ruler to Chandrapradyot? Okay. For jaundice. Who was the physician among the ruler? Bimbisar. Jivak. Asked in APSC is important. Remember this. 2022 asked. So read statement 1 and 2. So the 6th century BC was a period of great religious upheaval in the parts all around the world. Correct. Many Mahajanpada came, 16 Mahajanpada. Vedic religion had become very complex. That's why Buddhism and Jainism came after Vedic. Okay, so both are correct. Many religious sects came into existence across the middle Ganga Valley of northern India during 6th century BC, which witnessed an intellectual environment due to the emergence of many new faiths and beliefs. The hermits following different faiths started preaching their thoughts and disclaiming each other's philosophy. It should be noted during that time such type of intellectual movements also emerged in other countries of the world. Confucian, Zarathustra and Pythagoras were the people who challenged the traditional assumptions in China, Iran and Greece respectively. Vedic religion became complicated. There was more focus on purity of sloka, yajanas. As a result, the importance of priests increased enormously. It began to spend much money on yajanas and also motivated animals killing. The town of Kalpi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. The town Kalpi is situated in the Jalaun district of Uttar Pradesh on the bank of river Yamuna. During the ancient period, it was famous as Kalpriyanath or Kalpriya Nagari. which was later known as Kalpi. It was built during the 4th century. AD by King Vasudev. Much less first with second. Ancient place of UP and capital. So Kuru capital is Indraprasth near the Delhi. Panchal capital is Aichhatra. Okay. Kosala capital is Saket. Okay. Vas is Kausambe. Okay. We have to remember this. They used to sometime they ask. The location system Majanpada the 6th century BC are found in Buddhist texts. Anguttar Nikaya, remember this Buddhist text. Okay. And Jain text Bhagavad Sutra. Bhagavad Sutra. Okay. After A, what comes B? You can remember like this. After A, what comes B? So Buddhist Anguttar Nikaya. Jain Bhagavad Sutra. Okay. Bhagavad Sutra. Okay, here A also come, here A also come, here also Jain, here also A. So you can remember anyhow. A, Jain, A also here come. Okay. Here Ango U also there, here U also there. You remember it. Okay. Majanpada and their capitals. Kuru, Indraprasth, Panchal, Aichhatra, Kosala, Saket, Vas, Kausambe. Match, list first, list second. Matsya capital is Viratnagar, important. Okay. आज नहीं पीछे 2022 प्री. Kuru capital is Indraprasth near Delhi. Okay, so match it. A is third. Where is A third? This A. Cut this. Cut this. Second is 4. Where is this? C. Here. Cut this. Okay. Sursen is Mathura. Asmak is Potan, which is most southern part of Majanpada. So Mas is Viratnagar. Kuru, Indraprasth, Sursen, Mathura, Asmak, Potan. Okay. Now, which of the following is not correctly matched? C. Sursen is not Kausambi. Okay. So Kamboji, Rajpur Haktak, Asmak, Kotali, Kosa, Sravasti. So its capital is Mathura. Sursen was an ancient ruler of Mathura. Just remember this. How many Majanta were located in present day of Uttar Pradesh? 8. You remember, they used to ask many times. Uttar Pradesh arrow. Ask this. Okay. Oldest system Majanta. How many Majanta in Uttar Pradesh? 8 Majanta. Okay. Which one were 8 Majanta? Kuru. Kuru, Panchal, Sursen, Vas, Kosal, Malla, Kasi, Chedi. Kuru in present time where it is? Near Delhi, Meerut, Delhi, Thaneswar, Panchal, Bareilly, Badaun, Farrukhabad, Sursen, Brajmandal areas. Okay, near Mathura, which is capital in Mathura also. Here given, like here. Here Mathura. Then Vas, Prayagraj and Kausambi region, Kosal, Awadh region, Malla, Devariya, Kushinagar. Okay, here Mall. Remember this near the Burapur. Kasi, Varanasi. Kasi, Varanasi. Chedi, Eastern Bundelkhand area. Which of the following statement is not true about Sreni system of ancient India? This is not correct. Sreni system was prevalent only in northern India. Here, only is extreme word. So automatically it will be correct. This is correct. Sreni was organized of trade and artisans. Correct. Quality and price of the produced goods was determined by the concerned Sreni. Okay. Remember, this is the PYQ. They were deciding the quality and price and rule also. Okay. Sreni used to control the conduct of its member. Correct. One option questions come in the IAS. Okay. You can see their PYQ. Okay. Sreni system of ancient India was basically the organization of traders and artisans which used to not just control the quality and prices of the produced goods but also the conduct of its members. This system was prevalent in northern India as well as southern India, both places.